Coaches and athletes, we are using all 8 lanes. Please stay back away from the track while the race is going on. As for your safety and the safety of the competitor.
I always get really scared that it's going to use this class.
Final call, boys, 100-meter dash. Second call, girls, 1600. Second call, boys, 1600. We will run you separate. So we get those calls in so you're ready. 1600-meter runners, you will check in near the tent. Just hang out near the stack of hurdles close to the tent. Coach Goodwill will be down to give you your hip numbers in a little bit.
She already said I have a nice name.
That was heat 1 of 3 of the girls' 100-meter dash.